Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the pages that actually matter. Don't over-tab. Once you have tabs, a pen, and a ruler, skim to identify 3-6 primary categories you'll use across the book. Start at the first important page. Align the tab flush with the page edge so it reads when the book is closed. Label the tab with a short, clear word or abbreviation. Make sure your handwriting and placement are consistent. Consistency is what makes tabs fast to scan later. Now build a pattern that your eyes will memorize. Assign each color or symbol a single meaning so you won't hesitate later. Once done, stagger tabs vertically down the page edge so overlapping tabs remain readable. Imagine a staircase when you flip pages. For dense sections, use a 2-level approach. Color for category and a short label for detail. Make sure labels are brief and consistent. This reduces decision time when you need to find material quickly. Finish by flipping through the book once and filling gaps. Confirm each tab still matches your intended category and wording. If a tab peels, press it back down and reinforce with a small strip of clear tape so it lasts through repeated use. If tabs become crowded in one section, consolidate by creating a mini index page at the front listing page numbers and short labels. One troubleshooting tip: when tabs get visually noisy, prune redundant ones to restore use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.